got rid of it. Not enough black. Oh my god. Can they zoom in and get and find me? Hope not. Should have put a post-it on there. Yeah. The hell? I could send you a package with all that info. Nuh-uh. Wait, where is the post-it? Yeah, that's true. You already have all that info. Perfect. There it is. Woohoo! Haha! I'm a kitty. I like boxes. I like boxes too. I like that you labeled it public secret. Oh, there it is. Nothing fancy. It's just itself is pretty it's pretty sturdy. So what do we have here? We have, yeah, it's so funny because it does feel like their Twitter definitely feels like, hello fellow teenagers. Yeah, there's 3 different ones. So the smaller the circle, the more intense it is. Yeah. But their trailer is really funny. There's different, like, okay, there's like a how to use, which is very interesting. Sit and lean back. Lift hips, roll back and forth. My lord, that looks nice. Okay. All right, so what's in the box? We have this oh, upper, I didn't realize this came with it. Upper back corrector. That's really cool. How much did this thing? That's hilarious. I think I ended up, it was on sale for like $60 for all of this, I think. But I tried it a long time ago when a friend bought it. When he brought it to rehearsal. And I remember rolling on it and just thinking, oh, that is actually quite a bit of a relief. And not even a ring fit. Actually, I do have a ring fit. Madam has way more levels on the ring fit than I do. And kind of feel that, like, this is basically what this feels like is like a yoga mat, except maybe a little more bounce to it. So the idea is that right here is where your spine sits. And then these, once you put pressure on here, when you lay on it, these help separate the muscles that are around your spine to kind of like get some ease. So yeah, there's a couple different circles, but that's so hilarious that you say it's a caveman technique, because it literally is a circle. How much unboxing? Listen, this unboxing, there's not much in here. This is not what are some really good unboxing stuff? This is not like a Sony box. Unboxing done. Yeah, here it is. So is this one of those wonder kits that you lose? No, this isn't a weight. This you're being facetious, aren't you? I was gonna say, this isn't a weight loss thing. It's just like, I gotta drop it like Linus tips. Got a good bounce. Got great bounce. I like Linus tips, pretty good. Yes, we finally picked one up. So I haven't set up my page. I'll let you guys know where this goes. But if you are interested, this is not an ad, by the way, but if you are interested in one of these down the road, let me know. And I have an affiliate link. They do ship internationally, apparently. So balance all 3 there. Should I? Oh, it's actually heavy. You enjoyed the foam roller in the past? See, I think that was I have one, but it's really tight on my back. So let me see. This is exactly what I was thinking when if we did a stream, if we did a fit ring, a ring fit stream or something, then I can just set up the camera right here. Hi, Amanda. Oh, sorry, I should have warned you. That's Madam. She dressed up. Legs. No, it's not. She's got a buff that's green. Oh, she got Disney bounding Beetlejuice. They were saying you should dress up as each other. We have done that actually to some degree. Wait, actually, be right back.
Don't stop the body rock.
Mr. Frodo. I am very pleased with myself. Why the face palm? Pardon the bit of mess, chat. Do try to keep a tidy place, but it's not a super mess, really. It's just.
Piles are organized.
I just want to see my hobbit feet. All right, I'll go with the big roll because
Don't stop the body rock.
it is actually, you're right. It is lived in. Do we just get down? Should we just dance? You just saw it on Shark Tank? Yeah, they just got on that show, I think. Yeah, exactly. I haven't painted the paddle yet, but my idea was to put OG tribe member names on here. I'm winded though. I need to work out. Whew. Quality television, quality entertainment right here, y'all. By the way, this is the rest of the room, in case you're curious. I don't know what they're hissing. Twerking for fitness. Marcel said, "Hi, Sam." Green, what was your spell break name? So I can, Cream Bananas, hashtag 7676. Hashtag 7676. So there's apparently a proper way to do this. Let me just look at this real quick. I know I was a whole bit left on that. Should have been 66, 69, 69. Don't lift your hips right away. Keep your hands on the ground. Stay relaxed. Okay. Sit and lean back. Sit on the ground with knees. Screw the instructions. Why? I don't want to get hurt. Lean back. Transfer your weight to the wheel. Relax in this position before lifting your hips. Lift your hips upwards. Just don't tense up. Begin to roll back and forth on the wheel by bending and straightening your legs. Use your hands for balance. Roll up for 3 to 5 minutes. Length of preferred use will vary by individual. Don't get hurt, but content? All right, okay. All right, Wam. Have a wonderful, can we get a nice warm good night to Wam? You find yourself back here, Wam. That'd be awesome. And tonight, guys, 7 p.m. PDT on Hill Barn channel, we're going to be watching Amazon Watch Party. We're going to be watching Secret Window. If you guys happen to be around, give it a cast a shout out command for Hill Barn Theater with an RE at the end. Yo, Max to the max. What's up, dude? About to get that on this rolly. Nothing to be sorry about, my man. Nothing at all. I'm gonna do everything but use it. Adam's just looking at it right now. If you lean a little bit, you can see your face. Oh, there she is. With the black. Should I put black lipstick on too before I get on this? Cat, what do you think? 100 biddies for some lipstick? What is the song? What was, how many Fortnite dances can I do in 20 seconds? That's the only one I can do. Not even all that much. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, madam. She said, ooh, squishy. She's not mic'd up right now. Should we get some makeup on? Oh. Yep. Madam has stolen it. What's happening over there? That's my coworker right there, Chad. Doing. No, but like this is more intense. I don't want to cut. Here. I'm gonna have her. Here, you wear this one. Here we go. It's actually gonna happen. It won't take long. Step one. You're in the way. I don't even know what that looked like. I couldn't even preview myself doing that. It was a leap of faith. Apparently, when am I competing in the Olympics? You stay. Oh no. Come on, camera. Marcella said, looking real good, Sam. There it is. That's the love of my life right there. Look at her. Look at that beauty. You can also do that kind of stretching by. Oh. What's she working on? Work. Actually editing. You can also do this kind of stretching by getting another person, stand back to back, lock arms, and then one. Yeah, so we do that in theater, Bricks. We do that as like a warm up. Doing just one of those. Oh, God, that feels really good, though. Like, there's a lot of pressure that went into that. But now I feel like I think it just sort of, I don't know what the word is, reminds you of where some of those muscles are. I'm actually kind of looking forward to trying this upper back posture corrector. Look what it says. What's up first? What it says here. Oh, you can't. Upper back posture corrector. If you're expecting a backpack, you're about to be disappointed. Disappointed! All right, here we go. Try this on. Try it on for size. I'm guessing you just loosen up them buttons. Loosen up them buttons. Huh? It's great. Time to strap in, friends. I gotta get the hair out of the way first. All right. Right? Could be wrong. I know how to wear a backpack, chat. So there's a logo on it. So I'm guessing the logo out there. Okay. Okay. Reaching over. Yeah. Whew. Here we go. And then I'm guessing I just pull this way. How is that a strap in and strap on? Oh, what? And so then you just pull here? There's no really came with any instructions. Oh, okay, okay. I washed my hair today, chat, so it's huge. God, that can get real exhausting. I guess. For your upper back, lower back, you need a corset kind of. Oh, one of those, yeah. Lower back, I'm okay. I think sometimes I feel like my shoulders need. But look at this. I can't. If I move forward with one arm, I gotta shift back with the other. Not bad. Not bad. I'm excited to like roll on this a little bit more. Your lower back is a nightmare. Time to write a video game about it. The lower back strikes again in this side of the world. Why is your whole back a nightmare? Yeah, this feels fine. Not necessarily the most comfortable as far as like here where it's supposed to be comfortable. In a timeless war, lower back and upper back meet together. I feel like maybe I need like a holster or something. Like my badge. I don't know. Oh, that's right. Oh yeah, that would be a wreck for sure, man. Do you have ways in which to keep yourself kind of like lessen the pain? Yeah, that feels okay. The hobbit feet's come off because it's actually kind of warm in here. Sorry, chat. I hate to disappoint, but I'm actually not a hobbit. Alright. I hate to disappoint, guys, but true. I know. I know. Hey, I sorry to disappoint. Yeah, this is. I don't know if I like this or not. I mean, I think it's just a bonus, right? Like they didn't actually tell me it was. Well, maybe I didn't see it, but they didn't actually say you're dropping it in there. But it doesn't feel. I think if I reverse bra. Also, my hair is stupid long right now. Well, what I mean is, it feels like it's cutting into it. I don't mind it pulling back if it has to. Yeah, let me get the hair out of my face here, chat. It's business time. The hair's coming up. So much hair. You watch any of my early streams, you see like I am a short-haired boy. Here you go. Pink. Oh. I can feel a breeze now. Short hairs for the week? I was a weak 20-year-old. What defines long hair? Is it hair that gets like covers your eyes? Is it hair that gets on your neck? I guess for me, when I think short, I imagine like a buzz cut or something. Probably length, Green. That would probably define short and long. Yeah, you could try making the strap on back longer or shorter. Yeah, let me. First of all, I can't tell if I've got this side right because it's twisting in a weird way here. Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, she's working right now. I don't want to bother her more than I already have. Okay, that feels a little better. You see how it's getting like weird over here? Because it's kind of just not sitting in this thing properly. Oh, she'd like that. She liked it. Oh man, help me out. when you have a moment, just trying to make sure this thing is on properly. Have you guys ever tried to wrap yourself up as a gift for someone? It's that. Yeah, it's. What's up, Vic? Hey, baby. What's up, my dude? How are you? Made it just in time to watch me try to maneuver this thing around my body. Oh, what are we at here with this community goal? 93%. I ain't a mummy. Speaking of, Sam and I just watched The Mummy. Stephen Summers' version. Was it 1990? No. Early. Is it in the 90s? Oh, it is in the 90s. Damn. No. I thought it was like early 2000s or something. Used to fit in all kinds of boxes. Yeah. Right. It is a back straightener thing. Yeah, the Brendan Fraser Mummy movie. It is, because we unboxed a Go CHIRP, and basically this in 3 different sizes, smaller. This is a thumbnail right here. Ooh, look, the amplification of sounds. Do I sound like I'm in a cavern? It's a great film. I did watch Whatever Happened to Brendan Fraser on YouTube, and it's basically he goes from like total blockbuster to bomb to blockbuster to bomb. Like it's got a pattern. The plastic in here is nice and cool. Just FYI. Lovely.